Welcome, I'm SD Kelly. In this video, I make a mini wreath board. And it's basically a board that will hold my mini wreaths for the different holidays and occasions and seasons. Obviously, I've made this one around Valentine's Day. So I'm taking this vertical woodboard sign from the Dollar Tree, and I'm taking some jumbo craft sticks that I got from Walmart, and I'm cutting them at different lengths, and I'm even going to cut some long ways, and I'm going to line them up before I hot glue them on. I didn't remove the glitter because I don't really mind if the boards are a little bit uneven and disheveled a little bit, because that adds to the rustic look that I'm going for. I mixed some white Waverly chalk paint with some chalk paint that's called ink. The color of it's called ink, and it's really just a black chalk paint. And I made this dark gray color. I'm taking this hairbrush that I bought from Dollar Tree, and at first I played it safe by just putting some white chalk paint on the brush. But then I decided to live dangerously, and I just poured it on there, and I just went back and forth to give it a very distressed and rustic look. I really have a lot of fun with this technique, and the brush is actually very easy to clean afterwards. After it dried some, I went back and pretty much dry brushed some white Waverly chalk paint on, and I didn't mess around this time. I'm taking an awl and I'm re-poking through the holes where the paint had filled them in. I'm lining up everything that I want on this board so I can figure out where to glue it at. This doily that I got from Dollar Tree, they come in like 16 in a pack, I think. I'm going to be using this as a stencil. So I'm going fairly light with this paint. White chalk paint does do pretty good coverage. You don't want it too thick because it could seep underneath the stencil and it would defeat the whole purpose. And what I like about it is that it creates this circular lace-like effect. And so if I don't have anything hanging on here, or if I have just a card or a picture, it still looks nice. I took a fine point Sharpie and I went around and created this faux nail look. I have this clothespin that I painted white, and I put a piece of twine and I'll be using E6000 to glue it into place. If you know anything about the way that I do arts and crafts, it's that I don't like to rely on glue alone when I don't have to. Gravity has let me down quite a bit, literally. And because I'm going to be hanging wreaths on here, some may be heavier than the other, I'm also using this jute twine to help add extra support to this clothing. Now the back got a little bit messed up because of all that going back and forth. And it's a little more than just being able to sand some of it off. So I decided I was going to paint this in the color of ink with the chalk paint. And I'm adding some slow dry that will allow it to spread easier and allow me to work with it longer. And I'm just spreading this really evenly with a sponge brush. Noticed I had taped some painter's tape around the twine because I didn't want to pull it back through and then loop it through again because I didn't want it to fray or shred on me. I'm going to leave this string in the back a little bit long. I'm going to tighten a knot as tight as I can so that it has a way to hang. But I'm leaving the string extra long in case I want to go back and add a note card or something on it later. Once again, I'm SD Kelly, and I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up to help my channel grow so that I can bring ideas of art and creating for more people to enjoy. Also, I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.